Well, don't tell my wife, but it is a beautiful Friday in the Wildwoods in spring, and Curly Fries is open today, and I have yet this season get myself some Curly Fries. So we're doing it today. Grab some Curly Fries. I probably can grab some Sam's Pizza as well, but because of Lent for the for like, what, 6 weeks I was having Sam's every Friday. So today we're just gonna do Curly Fries. And I guess my question is, before we dive into this kind of random vlog, is what do you put in yours? Ketchup, mustard, vinegar? I'm a vinegar guy, extra salt. And so come join me, yeah? Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, you give this video a thumbs up. Wow, it's cold in the shade. And a special thank you to my patrons at patreon.com. It's because of them we can do fun, goofy videos like this. I figured we'll do some Curly Fries and maybe show you the boardwalk a little bit. And so if you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, go ahead and click the links in the description below. Anyway, let's walk up the new steps. Hey, did you know that you could sponsor our videos? In the first 15 to 20 seconds after our bouncer, your business could be here. If you want more information, shoot us an email at joey@wildwoodvideoarchive.com. And hey, you're not only advertising your business, but you're also helping local journalism. In case you don't know, yes, we have new steps next to Gateway 26. Let's see if there's many people up here on the boardwalk. Oh, the Curly Fries smell amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells great. You've got over here, Gateway 26 is open, man. It's happening inside. Oh, there's a decent amount of folks on the boardwalk today. This is looking south, and we'll pan up to look north. You got Coors Brothers, who's open right here. A little cold for ice cream today, but it is springtime, man. And look at this boardwalk. It looks gorgeous. There's no line right now for Curly's, so that's good for me. I'll grab some of that in a moment. I'll get a little walk in because it feels honestly like a really nice spring day. The Morey Surfside Pier is, they'll start working on this in a few weeks or so. If we look over the fence line, they probably have some stuff being rebuilt as we speak. We flew the drone over earlier, and so not everything is being put together at this very moment, but some things are. Yeah, definitely some stuff being put together. But there's some stores open. It's honestly a beautiful day out. Something interesting to point out is that Gateway 26 is working on their signs. All their signs are being worked on. You don't realize how much the salt air really eats up this poor sign. And so they'll replace those screens. Walk down here a little bit to show you the new steps down to the beach, now fully completed. I honestly can't wait until Morey Piers is fully open. A lot of construction going on between the Great White getting retracked with the Retract 208, the RMC, and the giant wheel and a lot of their maintenance. It's a maintenance year for Morey Piers. So even look, Sorrento's open too. Sorrento's 2 is open. And the fudge place, there's actually a lot open on a Friday. This is, by the way, at 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. I think we're 4 p.m. now. Here are those steps down. Get some steel railings. You can see that this is the pathway for the bikes, which you can head underneath the boardwalk or continue down. They're still working on the handicap ramp down here. And as we showed you before, this is where they'll pick up more than likely at the end of this summer season and continue all the way north. And so yeah, this section is closed off as they rebuild the handicap ramp. You can see they made it much longer too, not as steep. But as you probably heard me burping in the microphone, I'm sorry. I am quite hungry. I realized I did not have breakfast today. Actually, I take that back. I had a bar, protein bars. My wife says I survive on coffee and the Holy Spirit. So let's go ahead and get some curly fries. What is neat is the glare you get off of the new boardwalk. Kind of shimmers a bit. You only have this for a little bit of time before it gets worn down with all the storms. But here we go. We'll go to Curley's right here on the left-hand side. Grab our curly fries. You're scooping it together. Look at that, guys. Oh, look at that. That looks good. And so I have my curly fries, and now for the decision. You go with ketchup, go with vinegar, add some extra salt. I'm a vinegar guy, so we'll go with vinegar. First, I'll put my stuff down, and hopefully the seagulls don't get me. We'll sit down here in the back. Place it down. And as I'm sitting here, I'm realizing they're doing construction over here. I don't know if you could hear it. So maybe Joe's is getting some revamps. That's awesome. And so this is the setup. You got Surfside Pier behind me. Got my curly fries and my vinegar. I can't do ketchup. Some people do ketchup. I can't. Now, when I used to work here, I used to get the honey mustard and dip this in the honey mustard. To me, that was always a win. Oh, these fries are the best. Especially because they make them right there in front of you. A tip, by the way, if you like yours extra crispy, ask them, like, hey, could you put in there just a little bit longer? I used to like doing that. Now, depends. These ones are just so good. I've been dreaming about this since October when they closed, so. They're open Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays on Mariners and Surfside Pier. I don't know when Adventure Pier will open for the season. But, hey, don't tell my wife. She'll be upset. Because I told her I was filming today. I didn't tell her what. Keep that secret between you and I. I have to add, because the seagulls haven't seen you guys in a very long time, they're really circling. Because they're like, we haven't had curly fries or pizza or whatever for the past X amount of months. So they're waiting for you guys, so make sure you keep an eye on your fries. I walked over to go get more stuff, actually napkins, and I saw one seagull running over. I had to run back over to go get it, because if not, he would have taken my French fries. And look, I know he waited all year for fries. I deserve some fries, right? I worked hard this year. I deserve a good curly fry. Just saying, just saying. I hate to say it, folks. I finished my fries. I should have gotten the bigger size. Maybe not, because sometimes when you have too many curly fries and you have to go do things, you feel like you're bloated down. That's why I like going with the smaller size of myself. But that's why I always suggest when you do curly fries and do it with pizza, one slice of Sam, so you get two, one for you, one for your wife, and then one of those, and you should be all set. Anyway, let's walk around a little bit. Wash my hands too. Make our way out. Figure we're gonna walk inside on Gateway 26 for a little bit. Oh, let's see what car they have this year. A Maserati over here. Look at that. Oh, that's neat. I would never be able to win a car. It's also really interesting. How do you even get a car in here? It has to be like a ramp or something. They put this up, and what? These doors come down. They back it in. Let's see. Yeah, man. I want to win that. For real, how do you get a car in here? One day. One day, I think Gateway 26, you and I, we should definitely go through on how you do this, because that's really neat. Also, they put a little thing together for Marty ever since he passed, which is really nice. And yeah. Oh, the heat's on. It feels good in here. It's looking decently busy today. There aren't many places on the boardwalk that's open with heat, so I actually expect for it to be busy. And I'm also not ready yet to spend money on doing Wizard of Oz yet. I'm not ready to get all the tickets together. But I have been practicing my skee ball. That way I can beat my wife in skee ball this year. but it just feels like there's even more people on the boardwalk than before. But it is chilly out here, folks. Chilly, chilly, chilly. It's also really nice to see shops and things reopen for the year. But granted, we're still a ways until like the rides and all that open up. But as it's starting to get warmer out and more people want to make their way down, everyone's asking me, are things open? Yes. Friday afternoons right now, really through until May, there are things open Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays. There's a lot of events happening. So do yourself a favor, jump on like the Wildwood's website, check out the events, see if there's something you want to check out. Before you know it, we're going to go ahead and have like the spring car show and a few other things happening. I think that's the first week of May. So yeah, make sure you're prepared for all the events. There's so much that's happening down here. But in the sunlight right here, where there's no wind, it feels really good. And I didn't even realize this. Captain Jack's is already open. Did not expect that. That's kind of cool.
How do you make them? They're so cool.
Oh, it's definitely a lot colder in the shade. Also, it's still weird. There's still no Ferris wheel yet. Don't worry, they're working on it. But I do want to thank you guys for joining me today. I know it was like an impromptu vlog. I just was like, I need to get some curly fries. I did. I got to meet with a bunch of people I haven't seen since October. So it's always nice to do that. But I do want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you guys on the beach. I'm trying to remember where I parked. For those who don't know, let's cut in real quick. During the summertime, I bike everywhere. I don't like driving my car. And just like how I don't remember where I parked my bike, I don't remember where I parked my car. Anyway, like I said before, I'll see you on the beach, which is right behind me. See you later. Bye.